Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, March the 11th, 2019. Well, let's take a look and see what happened with the market today. And we're going to start with taking a look at the FAANG stocks, which we haven't done for quite a while, and start first with Facebook. And you can see we had a gap up, you can see right here we gap up, and then Facebook kind of did pull back a little bit, but held on to at least most of those gains. But let's take a look at the rest of them, see how they did. And we take a look here at Apple, and you can see the gap up, and then it just kept going up all day long, closed right at highs. So the FAANG stocks kind of led the markets today. Let's go through now Google, and we can see pretty much the same thing with Google. Nice strong day. Look at the relative volume here. We did pretty good on most of them. Netflix was a little bit below average volume, you can see here, but still the gap up and closed near highs. And Amazon, same thing there, just average volume, but, a little gap up, but just went up straight all day long. Now that we got a look at the FAANG stocks that seem to lead the markets today, let's take a look at the Qs. And you can see here as we look at the Qs, we had that gap up a little bit, and then it just kept on going and, closed right at highs there. Look at that. So very, very nice job for the Qs. We look at the diamonds, and as we look there, the diamonds had a little bit of trouble this morning because Boeing had that crash. So we actually had a gap down, as you can see here. But once the markets digested and the others took over, you can see straight up, and they ended up strong. And because of that, the diamonds, if we look here, we had 1.77, so almost twice the average volume. So we had decent volume on these gains. Now let's go ahead and look at the spiders and see how they ended up today. And you can see here, they had a little bit of a gap up that you can see there. But once they got going, just straight up all day long. Not sure what this bleep was in the aftermarket, but whatever it was, it flushed it out and came right back up. So, we can see here our volume was good all day long. So a very, very nice day in the markets. So it'll be interesting as we go on and see what tomorrow and the rest of the week brings. And with that, let's go on to Holly. And Holly Grill had 8 trades today for a profit of 32 cents. Risk on profit 234. Look at that. Holly Grill was on fire on the risk on mode. And let's take a look at what her best trade was. It was MDCO. And this was the on support strategy. She got out for a timed exit, 41-cent profit. And had you held on till the end of the day, you would have given some up and only made 29 cents. And her best risk on trade was Zillow. And if we look here, she got out for a profit save, only 13 cents, but then it kicked in, and $1.07 had you held till the end of the day. So very, very nice job from Holly Grill. Moving on to Holly Neo, we had 3 trades for a profit of 42 cents. Risk on profit $1.43. You know what? On 3 trades, this is based on 1 share of stock in and out. These are all these numbers, what they're based on. So had you traded 100 shares, that would have been $140. 1,000 shares, you're looking at $1,400 just on 3 trades. So very, very nice there. Her best trade was SPB. She got out for timed exit, made made 51 cents. Had you held till the end of the day, $1.23. So looky there. And that was the best in both categories. Let's go ahead and move our charts up here so that we can get a look at Holly Neo and see how she did today. And Holly Neo had 10 trades for a profit of $1.87. Risk on profit $1.66. And her best trade was SMTC. She got out because she hit her target at $1. So boom, there you go. There's her dollar. And had you stayed in till the end of the day, $1.35. And it looks like that's probably the best in both categories. And it is. So let's go ahead and bring our Excel spreadsheet in, see how the totals are looking for the day. And you can see here we had 21 trades for today. 261 was the profit. 539 was the risk on profit. And just to let you know, you're going to have a couple screens pop up here, so you can subscribe to this YouTube video if you want. And we have some free stuff for you too. If you go to this link right here, you'll get some free stuff. I'll have a video telling you all about it. So thank you and God bless.